Hello, everyone. I'm Marco, and today we're going to be looking at an SAT conventions of standard English question. We are knowledge maxing, no looks maxing here. We're mogging the questions. I don't know. I have to think of a new word for that. Anyway, let's begin. So, Bengali author Toro Dutt's A Sheaf Gleaned in French Fields, 1876, a volume of English translations of French poems, blank scholars' understanding of the transnational and multilingual contexts in which Dutt lived and worked. Okay, so which choice completes the text so that it conforms to the conventions of standard English? All right, so let's find the subject of our sentence. Okay. All right. Is it Bengali author Toro Dutt's, or is it A Sheaf Gleaned in French Fields, or is it a volume of English translations of French poems? Well, this here in the center is an appositive, right? It's describing something that is mentioned in the previous phrase or clause. So here we need to understand what we're talking about. So Toro Duts is a possessive noun. That means that that's not the subject, right? We're looking at what this author possesses or owns, correct? So if we look here, after it, we have the title A Sheaf Gleaned in French Fields. Okay, so that's the title of a book, right? So the appositive here will tell us what that is. It's a volume, okay? So after that, though, we have here a prepositional phrase telling us more about the volume of English translations of French poems. But we need to look here at the subject, the title. Is it singular? Is it plural? Well, it's singular. And then the appositive, right, a volume, confirms this, right? This is a prepositional phrase. So don't get stuck here, right? I have translations of French poems, but that's only describing here what the book is about, right? What the volume is about, okay? So we need to look for a singular verb, right? A conjugation that is in the singular form. All right, so we know that if it's singular, let me put this here, singular, okay, our verb has to be singular. So we'll put singular subject, singular verb, okay? And it looks like here we have helping verbs because, and we have one verb as well, one main verb, but we have a lot of conjugations in present perfect, present continuous, and present perfect plural. First one is present perfect singular, and then we just have a present tense plural verb. All right, so we know we can't use plural verbs to begin with. So it's definitely not going to be enhance. And plus, we're talking about something from 1876. So we can't use a present tense verb to begin with. Okay, have enhanced. Well, we know for subjects, the helping verb have is only used with plural subjects. So I can't use this here. Okay. Present perfect would work, but not in the plural form. Okay. Are enhancing. Well, this happened in the past, right? It's something that happened in the past and then affected the present, okay? So we can't use present continuous here because the if it was present continuous, the idea would be continuing in the present in a continuous state. And again, our helping verb is plural. It's not going to work. So that leaves us with A, has enhanced. So that would be our correct answer. It agrees with the subject and it agrees with the idea that something occurred in the past and is affecting the present and potentially the future. All right, if you like this material, if you like these explanations, help me out. Uh, Maybe like, subscribe, or follow, and comment. All right, everybody. See you in the next one. Peace.